Hi everyone! Are you struggling to connect your Windows PC to an SMB share on your macOS Sonoma machine, even though another Mac connects perfectly fine? It's a common and incredibly frustrating problem many users face, especially with Sonoma's recent changes to SMB security and protocols. Don't worry, we're going to break down some straightforward steps to get your Windows machine talking to your Mac. First, let's start by checking your Sonoma Mac's sharing settings directly. Go to System Settings, then General, and select Sharing. Make sure File Sharing is enabled. Click the small eye icon next to File Sharing, then choose Options. Here, ensure Share Files and Folders using SMB is checked, and crucially, confirm that the correct user accounts are enabled for SMB sharing. Double-check that these users have strong, active passwords, as passwordless accounts often cause issues with Windows SMB connections. Next, we need to address potential credential conflicts on your Windows PC. Open the Credential Manager on Windows, navigate to Windows Credentials, and delete any old, cached entries related to your Mac's IP address or hostname. These old credentials can often prevent new, correct ones from working. When you attempt to connect from Windows, be absolutely sure you are using the exact username and password from your Sonoma Mac. Sometimes Windows prefers the full username, while other times just the username is sufficient. Try both if you encounter problems. A common workaround for hostname resolution issues is to use your Mac's IP address instead of its network name when connecting from Windows. For example, try mapping a network drive to / 192.168.1.x /sharename using your Mac's actual IP. Firewall settings can also be a culprit on both sides. Temporarily disable the firewall on your Sonoma Mac by going to System Settings, then Network, then Firewall, just to test if you can connect. If successful, re-enable the firewall and add specific exceptions for SMB ports, typically 137, 138, 139, and 445. Similarly, ensure your Windows Defender firewall isn't blocking outgoing SMB connections. It's also worth ensuring your Windows machine is configured to use modern SMB protocols. Generally, you should not enable the SMB 1.0/CIFS client feature in Windows Features, as it's outdated and less secure, but ensure newer versions are active. Finally, as a last diagnostic step, you could temporarily enable guest user access for SMB on your Sonoma Mac within the file sharing options. If your Windows PC can connect as a guest, then the issue is almost certainly related to user authentication and permissions, which helps narrow down the problem significantly. Remember to disable guest access afterward for security. By systematically checking these points, you should be able to resolve your SMB connection issues between Windows and macOS Sonoma. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech troubleshooting guides and